اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم جنرل نالج ایم سی کیوز 1000 سیریز پارٹ نمبر 32 کوسچن نمبر 851 Who discovered the Australia? Marco Polo, James Cook, Vasco da Gama. The correct answer James Cook discovered the Australia. Capital of Australia: Canberra, Sydney, Ottawa. The correct answer Canberra. Capital of Australia: Canberra. The early name of Sri Lanka: Ceylon, Kolapani, Diamond Island. The correct answer Ceylon. Ceylon is the early name of Sri Lanka. Who was started a pioneer of Khilafat movement? Nehru, Ali brothers, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The correct answer Ali brothers was the starter or pioneer of Khilafat movement. Who invented the semiconductor? Carl Brown, Charles Goodyear? None. The correct answer Carl Brown invented the semiconductor. Unit of magnetic induction: Tesla, Coulomb, Faraday? None. The correct answer Tesla, Weber per meter square. Unit of magnetic induction. Unit of magnetic induction: Tesla, Weber per meter square. Who was the father of calculus? Euclid, Isaac Newton, Thomas? The correct answer Isaac Newton. Father of calculus is known as Isaac Newton. Who is the founder of Ahrar movement? Shaukat Ali, Maulana Muhammad Ali, Ajmal Hakim Khan, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Jamal Abdel Nasser? The correct answer Ahrar movement started by Maulana Muhammad Ali Muhammad and Ajmal Hakim Khan. The Godfather was written by. The famous book The Godfather was written by Mario Puzo. The correct answer The Godfather was written by Mario Puzo. Don Quixote was written by is a Spanish novel. Who written? Leo Tolstoy, Stanley Walpole, or Miguel de Cervantes? The correct answer Miguel de Cervantes wrote the Don Quixote famous novel. Is a Spanish novel which is translated in many languages. Nuclear fusion process to first time done and introduced. The correct answer Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann discovered area first time introduced the nuclear fusion reaction. Who won two Nobel Awards? Alfred Frederick or William Rontgen? The correct answer Frederick Singer won the two Nobel Awards. Now 5 persons have awarded 2 times Nobel Prizes. One worksheet of Excel contains how many columns? The correct answer 256 columns. What does Intel stand for? Integrated circuit, integrated electronics, integrated telecommunication. The correct answer integrated electronics. Which treaty prepared by the European Convention signed in Rome on 29 October 2004? The correct answer Lisbon Treaty was prepared by a European Convention and signed on Rome. Date was 29 October 2004. Recent famous treaty is Lisbon Treaty. 1 acre is equal to. The correct answer 43,560 square feet. 43,560 square feet is equal to 1 acre. Your second longest river: Danube, Volga, Elbrus? None. The correct answer Danube is Europe's second longest river. World oldest democratic country. The correct answer world oldest democratic country is Greek. Largest cricket stadium of the world. The correct answer the Narendra Modi Stadium is largest cricket stadium of the world, which is located in Ahmedabad. Currency of Iran: dollar, real, rupees? The correct answer real. Currency of Iran is real. Chabahar is a port of. Very famous port. Chabahar is port of Oman, Iran, America. The correct answer Iran. Two famous ports of Iran: Chabahar and second was to mention in comments. Percentage of aluminium in Earth's crust: 8.2%, 10%, 15%. The correct answer 8.2%. Aluminium in Earth's crust present 8.2%. Nanga Parbat nickname. Nanga Parbat is a famous mountain of Pakistan, which is nicknamed or famous as Killer Mountain. Densest population of world. Which area of city or in the world which is mostly populated area densest population. The correct answer Mokoku, China. The gas used is rocket, oxygen, carbon dioxide, liquid hydrogen, tetrafluoroethane. The correct answer liquid hydrogen. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.